No smiles? Or all smiles?
All
All
smiles.
smiles.
Good. Today, you conquered a bit of it. What was really tough about crossing this river?
I think there were a few currents, so that was kind of holding us in certain spots. It was tiring for sure.
Tiring, not.
I think the trick was working together as a team. So if you get tired, the other guy can take over.
I'm glad you said that, Prem, because that was the idea. The important thing is to strategize and make sure you'll work together. Combine. Put everything together like a team. Well, I'm happy for you guys, because here and end starts your day. And you know what this test is about. We are throwing you into the deep end. You're in the heartland of the Satpura Tiger Reserve. Almost every creature out here is nocturnal. It is a dangerous place to live in. We want you all to survive, but to survive here, you need to feed yourself, which means that you will need a bit of help. And what we've given you is a wonderful piece of equipment. These are your Polaris off-road vehicles. And to help you with your task, we have an exceptional gentleman here. He is by far one of the most accomplished rally drivers in the country right now. He will help you out on how to use these very powerful yet very safe machines. Put your hands together and join me in welcoming the winner of Desert Storm this year, Raj Singh Rathore.
Raj Singh Rathore, a very well-known name in the Indian rally circuit. Be it Raid the Himalaya or Desert Storm, Raj Singh Rathore has done it all. Today, Raj will not only take them through the drills of the off-roading Polaris, but will also judge them on their riding skill.
Hi Raj, शुक्रिया आने के लिए.
This is the Polaris ATV and this is the Polaris RZR. Our difference इसमें steering है and there is a handle like a bike. Okay. Polaris RZR चलाने के लिए steering का adjustment है. For safety you wear the seat belt, helmet and gloves. जब भी आप कोई चीज़ climb कर रहे हैं या slush में जा रहे हैं, like steep जा रहे हैं तो आपको 4x4 use करना है. कार की तरह उसमें brake और accelerator दोनों foot में है, but no clutch. This is the automatic transmission.
So what Raj is going to do right now is give you a little demonstration on how to drive a Polaris and use it effectively. Because these machines will be your best friend for the next few days.
Keeping the team's excitement and their enthusiasm to experience the off-roading prowess of the Polaris, Raj has marked a track to test the teams. The track consists of a few mud mounds, grass track, dirt track and some slush left behind by the overflowing Demba River. The track is marked by yellow flags, which teams have to follow.
It looks damn exciting. I've never been in any of these before, so I'm superbly thrilled. Some part of it is like superbly scary.
Thank you very much. Did all of you get a feel of what this machine looks like and how to use it?
Yes.
Pretty simple to operate, just a few gears here and there. However, you must remember that these are very powerful machines. They can do almost anything for you. But like any other machine, it is a human behind the machine that controls it. And you will be judged on the parameters that have been set up by Raj. Speed is not one of them. However, the other disciplines are vital and you must follow them at all times and do it sharply and well. Raj, of course, will judge you on those. So make sure you drive smartly and well. Enjoy these machines because they are very capable machines. How do you feel about your task?
Excited.
Prem?
Can't wait.
Sakshi, Chirag?
Yeah, same. Looking forward to it.
Chirag, a lot of apprehension with you. Why?
It looks fun and I'm glad that I'm here.
Well, it is off-roading, so a bit of sunshine in your eyes is good. White Knights?
Excited and looking forward to completing the task.
Midnight Thrillers?
Feel the power.
We're going to feel the power. Good. Who's going to go first? Midnight Thrillers? You will go first. Let's do it.
We are nominating one amongst us who has more confidence, who has a better grip on this really vicious vehicle, and that is Prabal.
is what I'm here for, and breathtaking. No words, speechless.
8 points on the smoothness, 7 points on the driving and riding position, but 5 point track optimism. Get a shortcut on the last point. The performance is good, but main thing is the shortcut.
There was an option between the ATV and the RZR.
She was more comfortable with driving the ATV.
The ATV, you do kind of feel scared on it because it's sort of, you feel unstable. मज़ा आया, थ्रिल है, एडवेंचर है, डर भी लग रहा है पर मज़ा आया.
Confidence level is very good, and track उसने वो complete किया है, no shortcuts, nothing else. So get maximum point in the track optimism, minimum point in the riding position. Always she is sitting, never is standing.
I'm obviously nominating him for today's task.
मतलब सूली पे जब बकरा चढ़ना होता है ना तो किसी ना किसी को चढ़ना है. तो ये 30 साल की है, मैं थोड़ा कम हूँ तो मुझे चढ़ा दिया. चलो अच्छा है. We have to keep it steady, we have to be confident. Track आगे पीछे नहीं करना, shortcuts नहीं लेने. So try to keep it simple.
It wasn't a lot of trouble. These machines are capable of doing much more than what we just did. कहीं भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि आपकी गाड़ी में power कम है.
Prem get highest marks. उसका confidence बहुत अच्छा है. Smoothness very good. Track optimism उसने पूरा किया है. And the best score.
Sandeep will drive these machines. It was a mutual decision, and he's gonna drive it.
The machine is extremely powerful. I think this is one of the best off-roaders that I've ever driven in my life.
Riding is not very well. संदीप के साथ ये था कि उसने vehicle reverse किया है and he stopped the vehicle. And the steering position not at 10-10. Performance से मैं बिल्कुल satisfied हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि और ज़्यादा tough task इनको देना चाहिए था.
This episode, the Lightning Challengers displayed yet again great skill and earned 37 points out of a possible 40. When riding a Polaris, the correct riding position is important and the teams are marked on the same. Sakshi lost out and earned 32 points, putting the Sapphire Surfers on the second position. Probal made some mistakes and could only get 30 points, and the Midnight Thrillers are on the third spot. Stopping the vehicle at the wrong time and reversing costed Sandeep dearly. With only 26 points, the White Knights are at the bottom of the tally. After getting to know their machines just that little more, the next step is to prepare for the night of survival. Just the machines and the tent are not going to be enough. The next clue is waiting for them inside their tent covers.
What about dinner? Live off the take your Polaris for a drive.
Find some food in the jungle. Flags will guide you. Look out. Come back and cook. Caution.
Keep the campfire burning to stuff off the wild beasts. एक काम करते हैं. थोड़ा आगे जाके ना कहीं flat जगह देख के greens में, not very close but not very far either.
See, there's the
क्योंकि
raised
this is the water we have to cook in. ऐसा ना हो कि आधा घंटा चलने में लगे, right? And also ऐसा भी ना हो कि ऊबड़ खाबड़ में सो रहे हैं तो रात को किसी को नींद ही ना आए. So let's go in थोड़ा उधर and pitch in the greens, okay?
There's a flat portion.
And then we'll decide who goes to get the food.
Right.
Other two can get the fire burning, right? Yep. Chalo, let's go.
A long, tiring day, and it's still not over. Teams have to survive the night in the wilderness, keep the fire alive, and cook for themselves. One can never be prepared enough for a situation like this. The night is going to be long and cold. Will Sakshi be able to make it through? Will the cold, dark night make Razia miss her home and family even more? Will the mountaineering skills of Prem come to his aid?
Today is all about survival. Let's find out if the city slickers can get past the night deep in the jungle.